The automatic filling machine accurately dispenses liquids or pastes into containers with speed and precision, ideal for food, cosmetics, and chemical industries. This machine boosts productivity while reducing waste and manual labor.
Alright guys, I know that there's a lot of background noise right now, but if you are processing large batch orders, ID Hoops are the way to go. I mean, the fact that I can break down and reset a machine going in about another 3 minutes is fantastic. I mean, we're really not that far behind here from this one. Again, if you really want to up your embroidery game, Mighty Hoops is the way to go. These are the 11 by 13s in here. These are running on Bi-Vision machines, one of the B22.2, the older generation. And I have B-Vision 2-head here, as you can see, which is the newer generation. Again, if you're interested in Mighty Hoops, use my affiliate link. You'll see it in the description here. That'll hook you up with free shipping. That'll save you a pretty decent amount of money. Absolutely, totally worth it. Also want to give a little shout out to the Hoopmaster Hooping Station. This is an absolute godsend in accurate hooping and saving a ton of time. Again, so for those of you that want to up your embroidery game, whether you have a single head mirror machine, single head vision machine, or two head vision machine, or two heads, or 3 or 4 or 5, or however many that you guys have, Mighty Hoops is the absolute way to go for accuracy every time. Yes, they do come at a decent price, but you know what? At the end of the day, with that affiliate link, give you some free shipping. That'll save you some money there. But in my opinion, these are the only way to go for magnet hoops. Definitely much better than their competitors out there. Other than that, stay tuned for more content as it comes. Have a great night.